I know you'd like to join your brothers outside and howl at the moon. But you're serving a much better purpose. Yes, you're serving science through me. Are you quite comfortable, Petro?
Sure, Doctor.
You're not afraid?
I ain't got no reason to be afraid.
Yeah, that's right, Petro. There's nothing to be afraid of. Nothing at all. There, did that hurt?
No, that was just like a pin sticking me. How come I have to have these straps on, Doc?
Well, you see, Pedro, I'm trying a new formula. I wouldn't want you to make a sudden move and fall off the couch. Now, don't worry. It'll only be for a little while. How do you feel now?
I feel just like I always did when you stick me with that thing. I'm kind of sleepy. I'm asleep now.
That's right. Go to sleep. Gentlemen, I wish you were here to see the proof of my claim. The transfusion of blood between different species is possible. A few moments ago, Petro was a man. A harmless, good-natured man. Look at him now. He's no longer human. He's a wolf, snarling, ferocious, lusting for the kill. You're looking at a scientific miracle, gentlemen.
You're a madman, Cameron. Your claim is ridiculous.
That's exactly what you said in the newspapers, isn't it, Professor Blaine? That I was a madman, not fit to occupy a science chair at the university. Perhaps you'll change your mind one day, soon, when Petro tears at your throat.
Poppycock.
You may laugh if you want to. But look. Even now, he'd like to be at his work. My catalytic agent has brought about a complete transition from man to wolf.
Crazy experiments are a disgrace to science.
Hello. To watch this sport, click the link in the description below. Enjoys your time. Hello. To watch this sport, click the link in the description below. Enjoys your time. Hello. To watch this sport, click the link in the description below. Enjoys your time. Hello. To watch this sport, click the link in the description below. Enjoys your time. Hello. To watch this sport, click the link in the description below. Enjoys your time. Hello. To watch this sport, click the link in the description below. Enjoys your time. Hello. To watch this sport, click the link in the description below. Enjoys your time. Hello. To watch this sport, click the link in the description below. Enjoys your time. Hello. To watch this sport, click the link in the description below. Enjoys your time. Hello. To watch the sport, click the link in the description below. Enjoys your time. Hello. To watch the sport, click the link in the description below. Enjoys your time.
Taking a chance.
Forte comes back in. They've thrown only 3 passes so far, 2 of them complete for 9 yards. From the 39. Forte not this time, and busting across and making the tackle behind the line is Jordan Hill, a loss of 2.
Well, it's nice to have a backup like Jordan Hill. 97, here he goes. Just so quick and athletic, big. I mean, last week against the Green Bay Packers, Jordan Hill was dropping back in pass coverage, Jim, and he was the spy against Aaron Rodgers. I'm not saying it worked out, but that's what they think of him. They're putting back in a situation like that to try to keep Aaron Rodgers in the pocket.
Well, we might see a lot more of him today because Brandon Mebane has suffered a groin injury in the game and is doubtful to return. 2nd and 12. And Clausen on the mark with that throw. The completion to Eddie Royal. Shed knocks him down. Gain of 9. Back to Tracy.
Well, thanks a lot, Jim. Cam Chancellor just ran out on the field. He missed most of this drive, but I was told he is completely fine. Just taking a break, Jim.
Yep, I saw him take him out, Tracy, and I think you're right. They're just giving him a break, trying to pace it, because it looks like it could be a long physical game for this Seahawks defense. They want to keep him fresh.
As you see, Mebane, again, doubtful to return, suffered a groin injury in the early stages of this one. 3rd and 3. And Clausen completes it. Bennett breaks the tackle and has the first. He got away from Burley and picks up 4.
Man, Martellus Bennett, number 83. Good job by Jimmy Clausen. He waits, really showing some good poise. And Bennett saw the tackle coming, and I just can't tell you, when you talk about this Bears football team, offense and defense, one of their franchise guys, Kyle Long at right tackle, but Martellus Bennett, big factor in the future of this team, I think.
Chicago reaches midfield for the first time. Clausen's hit his last 4 throws. And they go back with the game plan. Forte. Pickup of 2. Wednesday, don't miss the premiere of the new medical drama, Code Black, starring Academy Award winner Marcia Gay Harden, premiering Wednesday at 10, 9 Central, only CBS.
Really good job so far, Adam Gase. Look what he's doing. The plays, the yards, but the time. And Jim, we talked to Jimmy Clausen last night. Really good job by him. No panic, very calm.